What is up, people? Kamusta naman ang bagong taon ninyo? Masaya naman ba? Nag-enjoy naman ba kayo? Now, you might be wondering kung para saan nga ba tong vlog na to. Kaya naman, let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there's this boy na nag-aaya sa akin saying, "Hello po, pwede po ba kayo masali sa Team C?" And I was like, para saan kaya? Ang sabi ni Kuya, para daw sa intrams. Kaya naman, as you know me, hindi ako nagpapakabaw. I said yes. And then, yun na nga. I made new friends. Si ate ganto, si ano. I had so much fun. Kaya naman, panoodin niyo tong vlog na to at tunghayan ang mga naranasan ko. Enjoy watching!
natin ang excitement sa mata ng bawat isa sa inyo. Let's continue to be a blessing to everyone. Thank you very much. Back, left, back.
There's no spotlight shining on me. I ain't no superstar, I'm just like you are. There's no spotlight shining on me. I ain't no superstar, I'm just like you are. There's no spotlight shining on me. I ain't no superstar, I'm just like you are. There's no spotlight shining on me, shining on me. There's no spotlight shining on me. I am a superstar, I'm just like you are. There's no spotlight.
Why do you want to win this title as Miss Intramurals 2024 of Bakakeng National High School?
I want to win the title so that I can show not just people within this school, but others also, that there is always other choices to win. You cannot only be beautiful, you cannot only be sexy in the world, you can also be beautiful with the heart. That's what I really want to show with all. I may not be sexy, I might not be beautiful to you all, but I can assure you that I have confidence that I could help you in things that you might need my help in. And I thank you.
As a student, what is your greatest strength?
For me, my greatest strength is seeing my family happy. Because it's all that matters, it's family.
As a student, what is your proudest accomplishment?
As a student, my proudest accomplishment is my parents is to be proud because of my hard work and gusto ko din na palitan ng mga paghihirap na ibinigay nila sa akin. And I thank you.
As a student, tell us something interesting about yourself.
Something that is interesting about me as a student, that most of my friends are females. 80% of my friends are actually females and the other 20% are males. Why? Because I have grown up with females, but that does not make me gay, or that does not make me feminine. I have adopted their feminine traits, but I am still a straight guy, and I want to tell the people that your friends don't define you, that even they are male or female, or your friends with a different sex, that doesn't define who you are or doesn't make who you are. So, if anyone is just like me, that they have female friends and they are being judged by anyone, don't listen to them because your friends don't define who you are. That's it. That's all. Thank you.
Our question is, tell us about your principal as Miss Intramurals 2024.
Thank you for that wonderful question. So my principal as a 2024 Miss Intramurals is believe, achieve, and inspire. Because without believing in yourself, you cannot do the things you wish to do. To tell you a fun fact, I was really not into this kind of thing, but then because of a lot of people who helped me and pushed me through this, I believe in myself that I can do this, and yet I am here. So without believing in yourself, you cannot achieve the things you want to. And once you achieve those things, you can inspire others also to do those things with courage. And I thank you.
New site tayo. Ano daw?
Huwag maging malang ang ulo. Kahit dati yan, meron lang sa kailangan. Malaman.
Why are you competing in this pageant for Miss Intramurals 2024?
I'm competing this pageant as Miss Intramurals 2024 to inspire young people like me to join pageants and to use it for their growth, confidence, and achieving their dreams. And I thank you.
You won this pageant as Mr. Intramurals 2024.
If I won this pageant, I would show to the world that Bacangor National High School still have confidence and pride in its students to show everyone that we are not just a small school. We also make champions and we also make Mr. Intrams. Thank you.
For Mr. Photogenic, congratulations, Mr. Manuel Miss Congeniality goes to Visionary. For the third
yun na nga ang mga naganap. Pero bago natin tapusin ang vlog, gusto ko lamang magpasalamat sa lahat ng taong sumuporta sa akin from the start till the end of my journey. Simula sa mga kapatid ko, si Dwayne, si Sean, si Kuya, at sa pinsan kong si Kyle, at sa lahat ng relatives ko na nasa ibang lugar. Si Mama, na all the way from Pangasinan, umakyat pa siya dito sa Baguio para lang panoorin ako. And of course, Tita Ginia, Tita G. Ikaw ang naging makeup artist ko simula hanggang sa dulo. And thank you so much for that. Sa mga advisors ko, sa mga teachers, Ma'am J-Lo, Ma'am Kath, Ma'am Jopay, Sir Eric, yan ang mga sumuporta sa akin. At sa mga kaibigan kong kahit hindi ko ka-team, tinitilian ako at sinuportahan ako. Si Tita Ann, all your ideas are mind-blowing. Thank you po. And Tita Aggie, yung mga damit na pinahiram mo po sa akin, thank you so much. And most especially, thank you so much for my parents. I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help that you gave me. And yun lang guys. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe.
This is real, so take a chance and don't ever look back, don't ever look back. I'ma get your heart racing in my skin tight jeans, be a teenage dream tonight. Let you put your hands on me in my skin tight jeans, be a teenage dream tonight.